Spinach is one of my most favorite greens to cook with, especially because you can use it in many different ways. When making salads, using spinach instead of regular lettuce is preferred as the nutrients are far higher. This is easy to see because of how much darker green spinach is. Spinach is also easily grown in any backyard garden. Just one row of seeds will grow all season long and thrives in cooler weather. Gardening is also very healing in of itself. Creative ways to cook with spinach. Some of my favorite ways to prepare meals with spinach are: cooked with scrambled eggs, added into green smoothies, veggie sandwiches, salads, chop and add into stuffed peppers, superfood powder. Learning all the benefits of spinach will help you realize just how important it is to eat it regularly, as well as give you some motivation to eat some healthy foods. Here are 10 awesome benefits that come with adding spinach to your diet. 1. Aids in eyesight and prevents cataracts. 2. Lowers blood pressure. 3. High amounts of easily digestible protein. 4. Very high in calcium and vitamin K. 5. High in potassium, manganese, iron, and zinc. 6. Prevents and reverses aging. 7. Boosts immune system and cures ulcers. 8. Contains high amounts of folate, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B9, lowers risk of heart attacks and fights cancer. 10. Aids the liver. Make sure to only consume organic spinach because unfortunately, spinach is well known to contain large amounts of pesticides. Buying organic, or better yet, growing your own will prevent you from eating chemical-laced spinach. Importance of the liver. A lot of my studies have been on the liver, and just how important they are to our bodies and good health. Our livers are responsible for so much that we absolutely must become more aware of how to keep it healthy. Our livers break down all our foods, cleanses the toxins in our bodies, processes all of our sensory input, and is our heat furnace. It's the only organ in the body that can regenerate. Our livers are extremely abused in our society, and spinach can play an important role in helping to heal our livers.